Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Clip Studio Paint and a project so you can test changes live. First, enable the panels you'll use from the window menu, Tools, Subtool, Layer, Color, so you can see them docked. Once those panels are visible, arrange them roughly where you want them on screen. Don't worry about perfection. Then register this initial arrangement right away. Window Workspace Register Workspace. This locks a baseline you can revert to, making iterative layout changes safer and faster. Now refine the workspace by dragging panel tabs into docks or releasing them as floating windows for secondary screens. Resize each panel by dragging its edges so tools and layers occupy balanced space. Stack related elements like layer and subtool together to reduce eye travel. Use the panel gear menu to change thumbnail sizes and visibility options, and collapse panels you rarely use to save room. Once the visual flow feels right, test common actions, brush switching, layer ops, to ensure efficiency and muscle memory alignment. Finish by saving your polished layout through Window Workspace Register Workspace. Give it a clear name so you can switch quickly. Make a couple of variations for tasks like sketching, coloring, and animation. Switch between them from the same workspace menu to match workflow needs. If panels go missing or the layout breaks, reset to your saved workspace or use Window Workspace Reset Workspace to restore the registered arrangement. One quick troubleshooting tip: enable multiple displays.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.